Hi folks, Lee Murphy here, artbyleemurphy.com, and here is an update on still more yuck to take out of the camper and exposing the floor or the framework below the rotten floor. Got a little more than 2/3 of it taken out already, which really wasn't that hard because it was just so crumbly and nasty. And it's a real relief to see so much of the ick gone away. And then I get to see what I get to do under here, which is finish de-rusting and cleaning and treating, painting, whatever this frame. It looks to be relatively intact. Not sure what the hose clamp is there for. YouTube University says that it's to strengthen the suspension. I don't really understand that, but it would make sense since these campers, when their beds are fully extended, they tend to have a little bouncy teeter-totter effect. I don't know. That one's intact. That one is broken right there. So I don't know. I have to do a little bit more homework before I decide what to do with that, but I was a little taken aback at how rusty this axle and the wheel hubs are. I'll try to close it on there, but I did read that what's most important is whether the spindles inside the wheels themselves are intact, and see what that's like, and then I'll decide whether I have to replace the axle, and I sure hope not. But if I have to, I have to. This is I'm in it too far to quit. So, and seeing this spaghetti of wires here, somebody asked me about this camper, and I said, it has wires, but it is most definitely not wired. So another YouTube rabbit hole is going to be learning how to completely redo all of the electrical systems. And of course, it's hard to cut through this nasty floor because I don't want to wind up damaging something that is essential, like these cables here. But you can also see where's my hand? There is the old gas line, and you can see where it's been cut off and globbed up with silicone. So I thought maybe I was going to leave it there just in case I may want to use it afterwards, but no, I absolutely don't trust this. If I want to put in a propane system, I will do it completely from scratch rather than depend on that. That was just too scary and dangerous to even consider with what's left in the shape it's in. So I don't know, I guess I better get back to work cleaning up all this mess. And boy, it's sure going to feel good to have all this. This is the last bit of the ick left to just be totally grossed out over. Rip this all out and clean it out, and I'll be so happy. So anyway, thanks for watching, and hope that was helpful or interesting. Thanks.